Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Azure DevOps pipeline, cicd pipeline session 3. So here we have to install the Terraform extension. So you have to select the organization settings, then go to the extensions, and we have to select the appropriate Terraform extension. So you have to go to the marketplace. You can see I'm trying to find out the Terraform extension here. And before installing the Terraform extension, why it is required, let me show you. Generally, while creating the pipeline, we have to create the pipeline using the YML file, and we have to create the pipeline using the entire code. So instead of writing the code from the scratch, if you install the Terraform extension, okay, it will give you the assistance like to write the code. Okay, so if you see here, as the Terraform is not installed, so it is if I'm trying to search Terraform, it is not showing there. And once get it installed, then it will be automatic populate here, and it will help us to write our code in the Terraform pipe in the Azure pipeline. Okay, so let me try to find out the Terraform extension here from the marketplace. Yeah, the first one you have to select, which is the Hasicop one, and let me install it. So you have to install Microsoft Dev Labs, because that is being used for the DevOps our CI/CD pipeline. And you have to select the appropriate organization. If you have the multiple organization, you have to select accordingly. As I have only one org, so I selected that. Then proceed to organize, like the proceed to organizations, so that the extension can be installed for the particular organizations. And let me go to the that project. Let me try to set up the build to create the pipeline. I will just show you, once get installed, if I select start the pipeline, then Terraform assistant is coming automatic. Okay, so here you don't you just need to select the Terraform, and you will get all the options like if you want to create the code to Terraform init, to initialize your apply or plan or destroy, all the options are available here, huh? So while writing the code to initialize the Terraform or planning the Terraform or deploying the Terraform, so you just need to select and just need to click on add, then that code can be created to the particular execution, right? Like